So in the first part of the video, we did a quick unboxing of the Baofeng C5 device, after which we coupled the device and we paired the two devices together. So now I'm going to show you how to charge the Baofeng C5 device. So it comes with a charger. It's just a all-in-one device. To charge the Baofeng C5, all you have to do is put the radio into the charger. You can see it has a narrow path created here to help you put it in place, and you can see the guide on the charger. So all you have to do is slide it into it in place. Make sure the both sides get in place. Good. Once you put it in place, you see it's quite very firm, and then you can see the green light come on. So the green light is not an immediate indication that it is charging. So when the green light is on, it can show that it is not plugged in. Once you plug it in and it's charging, the charging light is red. When you remove it, the green light comes on, showing you that when there's no device plugged in and you're seeing the green light, showing you that the charger is plugged in. Once you slide in the device, is red. So when this red light changes from red to green while the radio is plugged in and it is plugged in, the charger is plugged to a power source, it means that the device is full. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in place. The green light comes on to show me that I've plugged in the radio, and then once I plug it into power source, it shows red light. So when the radio changes from red to green, then I'll know that the two radios are full. So this was a short video showing you how to charge the Baofeng C5 device.